Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're at the Palmyra Real Food Emporium in Palmyra, Pennsylvania. They're having their open house today and 10-year celebration. So come along with me and see what we can see. Now outside the facility, they have this wonderful garden, and you can kind of peruse through it. They pick from it. You can actually buy very fresh herbs, lettuces, all kinds of stuff, right out of the garden. Pretty cool. Entering through this magical arch, you come up through the main doors, and inside there is a whole mess of goodness. Now they are only open a few days a week. Thursday 9 to 7, Friday 9 to 7, and Saturday 9 to 3. They have all kinds of bulk coffees and teas, as well as many different types of mushrooms. Now their dairy department, the day that I came, was Saturday towards the evening, so they were pretty much sold out. But they have all kinds of raw milks and great kind of cheeses from local and other sourced facilities. They have their refrigerated section, which does have all kinds of unique drinks, kefirs, local eggs, and then of course their frozen department, which they have, meat soups, dinners, all kinds of neat stuff. Really good for the belly. And of course, you have the seafood department. Very friendly staff who are who are a little afraid of the camera. Hi. And we have assorted olive oils and balsamic vinegars. You can even grab a quick lunch here. Soups, many day sandwiches, and of course, today you can try out raviolis and all kinds of different hot foods. We get to have some taste tests of some great cherry pie. That is some good pie. They have a wonderful walk-in fridge that has very unique, organic, and naturally grown vegetables, as well as, beans, peas, dates, nuts. And they even do a lot of their own fermentation, like these wonderful fermented cucumbers, otherwise known as pickles. But pickles like you've never tasted before. Wonderful things. Traveling up these back stairs, you come to the Red Shale Ridge Winery. They do tastings right in here. Beautiful looking place. This is where I spend most of my time, as well as looks like the owner too. Hi, Tom.
Hey, how are you?
Stocking up for the taste test today. Again, that's Red Shale Ridge Winery. Going back out the doors and to the left, you come to their wonderful butcher. Great fresh local meats, as well as cheeses, jams, jellies, and of course again, for today, all kinds of more taste tests back here. Here's where I'm going to have my day, right here. I'm staying here till this is all gone. Good stuff. Cheese. That's some really good cheese. And of course, if you want some unique kind of beefs, you have, of course, the elk burgers, all kinds of neat stuff. Very much a place you want to check out. Well, thank you for coming along with me to the Palmyra Real Food Emporium in Palmyra, Pennsylvania. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did, and my belly is full with all those snacks. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell too. Thank you, and have a great day.